Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate your account on Instagram on iPhone after reaching weekly deactivation limit. For example, if you have recently deactivated your account and if you want to deactivate your account and it is showing you have reached your weekly deactivation limit. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And in settings, you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do back, you have to simply open the app store here. So in app store, you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and after searching the Instagram app, you have to check whether you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings again, you have to go to general again, and this time you have to go to iPhone storage. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of Instagram, and here you have to click on offload app. So as you click on offload app, there will be option available reinstall the app. So you have to reinstall the app, and now what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram app again, and you have to click on profile here, and in profile you have to click on three lines here. In three lines you have to click on account center, and after that what you have to do, you have to click on personal details, and here you have to click on account ownership and control, and after that you have to click on deactivation or deletion. So here you have to click on Instagram account you want to deactivate. So if you click on deactivate account and click on continue, it will show weekly deactivation limit reach. But if you select delete account, because if you delete your account, then there will be option available that you can simply reactivate your account within 30 days, which means if you want to log in back into your account, then your account will be reactivated again. So it will act as deactivation. So, but you have to make sure that you log in back your account within 30 days, and after that, your account will be permanently deleted. So you have to make sure about that. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.